heard he moving weight down south to Chicago, Illinois, and he need a college girls who will cancel why employed, cause I'm a 5-star chick doing 5-star tricks.
Today I'm gonna be doing my everyday foundation skin routine. This is beginner friendly if you just follow along. So go ahead, get your makeup ready so we can beat this face. First, I like to start off with my brows. And I don't really need them done, period. So, yeah. I like to, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because I'm gonna do a separate video for my eyebrows. So now that my brows are done and my lids are set, I just make sure I set my eyelids. I'm not gonna do eyeshadow today. If I was, I would just go straight into eyeshadow without setting. Taking this All Control Prime Mix from e.l.f. I'm gonna spray my face. And so far, using this on myself and my clients, I do like it. I feel like it does change something. I haven't really been as oily as I would be with my makeup. I'm also gonna take the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer and put that on my face. Just take a little dot. Put that on my nose because it's really pory. Put that on my cheeks, my forehead right here, chin. Now, one extra step that I do like to do is I take the NYX glitter primer, and this helps with creasing. Like if you have any type of creasing on your face, a lot of people crease around their mouth like when smiling, but I don't. I crease right here, which is like an angry line. Just because I have a natural me mug, I like to put it right there just because it does have a, like, I don't know, I have like a little dent in my face right there all the time. Okay, so we're just going for something natural. So today I'm gonna use this LA Girl. Today I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation. Now this is illuminating, so it's gonna have that dewy look to it, which oily skin is not supposed to do. But I'm gonna do it today just because I want that natural feel. I don't want to be looking too matte and too perfect, you know what I mean? So that's what we're using today. And my makeup routine is so much easier when I have these individuals because I don't have to worry about putting my lashes on. And you don't know I wear lashes like every day, so I don't have to worry about that. Also, this is the color Bronze, which is a little darker, but I don't mind it because your girl is pale and I ain't really messing with it. Now it's time to highlight, and I'm just taking this same concealer I use on my eyelids. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 25 medium. And since I'm going to a job interview, I don't want nothing too fabulous, you know what I mean? I'm just doing a little regular, just a little beat. make sure I blend out the highlight to the foundation, so it's not like right there, you know. I'm not going under the eyes just yet, just blending out the edges. And I like to set it with this Fit Me setting powder. This is the loose finishing powder in the color 20. I like to go a shade lighter than my foundation, so I use 330 normally, and this is 20. So you get it, just like decrease the amount. I like a lot of brightening, and it sets really good. Lashes all day, all that. Time to contour. And I don't have it ready, hold on. I'm still using the Dare to Create to contour, even though I'm running low. Now it's time to highlight, and I did come across this new COLOURPOP highlighting palette, which so far so good. This is the darkest shades. I did try this on me. Too dark for me, because you can see like the where the highlight starts and where the highlight ends. So I like to use these two in the middle. Today I'm gonna use this one. And I'm using a Wet n Wild blending brush. Now, since my makeup is very natural, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. Now I'm going to set my face using this makeup mist spray from e.l.f. And I did that before I do my bottom mascara, because my bottom mascara is not waterproof, and if I do it before I spray, it will be a mess, okay? Now usually I would do moles, but I'm not gonna do them today just because it's for a job interview, and I just feel like the moles make this look a little extra. It's really hurting me not to do them, but yeah, I'm not gonna do them. So now I'm gonna do my lip. So now it's time to do my lip, and for everyday wear, I've been really loving this Lucid Beauty Cosmetic in Amethyst. I think it's really good for deeper tone girls, but it's very pretty either or, so. And then I don't stop there, honestly. I like to take the other one, Lucid Beauty Out Coat, and put that on top just for a little shimmer. And this is even better with a brown lip liner, but I just don't feel like doing all that right now. And this is my final look for my everyday foundation routine, makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions on videos I should make sure you leave those in the comments. If you're not subscribed already, what you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will be making videos ever so often. I'm gonna try to be better and do better. So I'm already making a vlog right now, so yeah. And I have a lot going on this month, so yeah, more vlogs coming soon. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, all that, just leave them in the comments. I got you. You know, it is what it is. Alright. I need to get that up my face. Anyways, this is it. Bye, y'all.